eating it. No, you stop that.
You might not want to marry me.
Oh, yeah.
But I have to tell you. Because you're giving up so much and
Yeah.
deserves the truth.
What's mommy doing? Are you chewing a finger?
Father of the baby isn't the only thing we have.
You're an animal. You're an animal.
It's Jeremy.
He's not even really sucking, he's just biting on it. Ay. Hey.
He sounds like a rabid dog.
Hey, Maggie.
Okay, I was so scared. I thought that if I told you, you would just leave.
No, you lied to me the whole time.
Monkey. 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 You have rabies?
Walking around West Beverly talking to that guy. No, every time I pick you up from play practice, I'm like, hey, Ty, what's up? Like a fool.
Savage! T'es sauvage! Jeez Louise. You can't get any more in, baby. Oh, yeah?
Oh.